Okay, question 30. This is really more of just a reading question, understanding it. There's one idea in particular that's coming out of this that I want to make sure everybody gets here. The current population of a town is 8,400. Okay, so that's kind of our A value. That's where we're starting, 8,400. The population is projected to increase by 2.5% per year for the next 6 years. Okay, so calculate the projected population next year. Okay, let's be really, really clear on how this works here. So next year, we've got this 2.5% growth here. Now, if you take 8,400, okay, and multiply this by 0.025, which is the way a lot of times people like to approach this problem, what's going to end up happening here is you're going to end up getting a number that's like ridiculously too small. Basically, what's going to end up happening here, and I'll calculate this in just a second, but to describe it here, you're actually calculating what the 2.5% of that number, 8,400, is. Now, that means that we are going to be losing, in essence, what is that, 97.5% of the population. Just waiting for the calculator to load here, and then we'll do this really quickly here. The stupid calculator went dead on me and I couldn't get it to come back, and now it's going through its little load cycle. Here we go. So now 8,400 times 0.025, and this leaves you with 210. Now that is not a growth in the population. That is a horrible, horrible loss of population to go from 8,400. So the way we do this is to get an increase in the population. I'm going to take 8,400. I'm not going to multiply it by 0.025. I'm going to multiply it by 1.025. And so what this means is, this is that one up front here. If you just think about that as a decimal, 1.0 as a decimal refers to 100% of the population plus that 2.5%. And so 8,400 times 1.025, and we get 8,610 people. That makes way more sense. This represents growth. So when the population is increasing, I need to make sure that this number here represents more than 100%, more than a multiple of 1. If it's less than a multiple of 1, then you're losing people.